Hello everyone, this is Joanne from Coast to Coast with Joanne. Right now we are right at the end of the dry season. It is very hot and uncomfortable this time of year. The winds have completely stopped and the hills are dry and brittle and everything feels like it's holding its breath. Because right now we are waiting for the rain. From about November to May, this region goes through a long dry season. And by the time we get to April, everything starts to feel different. The wind, which usually gives us some relief from the heat, just disappears. The air gets heavier and the heat builds. And you really start to notice how still everything is. Even the ocean feels calmer. Take a look at the hills across the bay here. Right now they are completely dry, brown, and brittle. This is what months without rain will do. The grass dries out, the trees look tired, and the landscape takes on a whole dusty feel. If you didn't know better and you visited here this time of year, you would think that it always looks like this. So everyone waits, and because any day now everything is going to change. This time of year when this is the time of year when people start watching the sky. We can see the clouds building on the horizon, just teasing us and taunting us, because it will do that for many days, often weeks, and nothing happens. You can also often hear the thunder in the distance and you think, oh, today's the day we're going to get rain. The forecast also teases us. It tells us that we have 75% chance of rain or 80% chance of rain, and yet nothing happens. And people actually bet on when we will get our first substantial rainfall. You'll hear conversations starting out like, ooh, do you think we're going to get some rain today? And so we all just collectively wait. During this time of year, life shifts a little bit. People plan their day around the heat of the afternoon. Often during the times between 10 and 3 p.m., you'll see that there's not many people out and about. Most people have looked for somewhere cool to sit. Perhaps this is the time of year that they take siestas. For me, I hide in my little casita and I do things inside the house until the sun starts to set and it gets a little cooler. I would say that most people, at the very minimum, they look for shade during those hours or just a nice place to have a cold drink. It's not unbearable, but it's definitely noticeable. And then it happens, the first rain. At first, just a few drops. You can actually smell it before you can really feel it. That fresh, earthy scent as the rain hits the earth. And within minutes, everything starts to change. The dust is knocked off the leaves of the trees and the air cools. And just like that, it feels like the place has come back to life. As of right now, we are still waiting, but that is part of the experience too. This in-between moment right before everything turns green again. But when it does, it happens fast. Once the rains really begin, the hills transform from dry brown landscape into lush, vibrant green in a matter of days. And one of the most dramatic changes you'll see here all year round. So if you come here in the high tourist area and you see that the hills are brown and brittle, just know that it's not like that all year round. Most of the year it is very lush and green and vibrant, and it is actually, the rainy season is my favorite time of the year. So if you enjoyed this video and if you learned anything from it, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing.